Welcome to the third video on nucleus. Here we are considering the density of nucleus. Nucleus की density को measure करेंगे, उसका formula लेके आएंगे, and the last we will compare the density of nucleus with some other substances. So before calculating the density of nucleus, you should know density comprises of mass and volume. Volume of the nucleus is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Why? See, nucleus behaves like a drop of water. A drop of water is having some mass, it is having some energy, and because of this the shape of water drop is almost spherical. Same way, the nucleus is also having some mass, it is having a lots and lots of energy inside it, due to which the size and shape of nucleus is not very stable, but we can still approximate that the shape of nucleus is spherical. So its volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now compare these two nuclei of lithium and oxygen. Which of these two you think will have a larger volume? Obviously oxygen will have a larger volume. Why we think so? Because its mass number is greater. So the volume of a nucleus, that is this, it is directly proportional to mass number. Greater is the mass number, greater will be the volume. Alright, now see here 4, 3 and pi are constants. So I can incorporate this value of constant in the constant which is already present over here in the proportionality sign. So from here what do I get? R cube is proportional to A. R cube is proportional to A, or R is proportional to A to the power 1 by 3. Alright. So this constant goes in here and R cube is proportional to A. Taking cube root of both the sides, R is proportional to cube root of A. Now removing this proportionality sign, I need to put some constant, that is R0. And what is this R0, the constant? Its value is 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 15 meters, also known as femtometers, but this is the value of R0. Okay. इस R0 में कौन कौन से कांस्टेंट्स हैं? एक जो यहां होना चाहिए और एक जो 4 by 3 into pi हमने लगाया था, that is also included in R0. But what is this R0? It is the average nucleon radius. Average nucleon radius. What is a nucleon? Come on. What is an Indian? A person living in India is Indian. So a species living inside nucleus is nucleon. What is living inside nucleon? Protons and neutrons. So what is a nucleon? It is a common word referred for protons as well as neutrons. Okay. इसको एक चीज और है, one more name is the nuclear unit radius. Nuclear unit radius means the same thing. What are the units of which a nucleus is made? Protons and neutrons. So this R0 is actually the radius of a proton or the radius of a neutron. Right? Now the mass. Compare the masses of lithium and oxygen. Which of these two you think have a greater mass? Obviously oxygen. Why oxygen? Because its mass number is greater. So mass of nucleus depends on the number of nucleons present in it and the mass of one nucleon. ठीक है, इसमें कितने nucleons हैं? 6. इसमें कितने nucleons हैं? 16. So obviously इसका mass greater होगा. ठीक है, तो total mass of nucleon depends on two things: mass of one single nucleon multiplied by the number of nucleons. M is the mass of nucleon, A is the mass number. Right? Now finally finding the density. Density equals to mass over volume. Mass is M into A, volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube, like here. Okay, put the value of R in this, put the value of R from here into this form. What you get is this R0 A to the power 1 by 3 whole to the power 3. When you expand this and this A will cancel out, and what remains is 3m by 4 pi R0 cube. Now something to be noticed in this equation: 3 is constant, 4, pi and R0 are all constants. Even the mass of one single nucleon, it is having a constant value. That means the density of nucleus is constant. What do you mean by this thing? The density of nucleus is constant. अरे भाई न्यूक्लियस है, डेंसिटी तो कांस्टेंट ही रहेगा, उसमें कौन सी नई चीज डाल रहे हैं, right? But this is not the conclusion that you derive. See, the conclusion is because the density does not depend on atomic number, it does not depend on mass number. That means all the nucleus of all the elements in the periodic table, they have the same density. Nucleus चाहे lithium का हो, चाहे oxygen का हो, चाहे uranium का हो, चाहे mercury का हो, all the nuclei have got the same constant density. What is the value of this same constant density? 3 into m, put the value of m, then 4 into pi, and then put the value of R0. What do you get? It's 2.3 into 10 to the power 17 kilogram per meter cube. This is the density of nucleus. Now, in the last part, we compare this density with some of the materials around us. You can see the density of water, 10 to the power 3. Density of metals, 10 to the power 4. Density of gases, 10 to the power minus 1. That is about 0.1. Okay. And see the density of nucleus, 10 to the power 17. It means nucleus has a very large, extremely large density.